In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to QuickBooks Online. Now, there's actually two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both. The first one is to actually connect your credit card, and the second one is to add it manually. So, the first one, we're going to connect it. What you want to do is go to All Apps, Accounting, and click on Bank Transactions. Now, here, what you want to do is click on Link Account in the top right. And then what you want to do is essentially connect your account. So you have to search for your bank or credit card provider in the search bar over here, or just click on Show More and find it. Then you want to click on it, and you basically will have to sign in and confirm everything. Now here I'm in the test drive of QuickBooks, so I would have to start a free trial to be able to do this, but you'll be able to essentially sign into your bank, authorize it, and you're good to go, okay? That's the first way to do it, to connect your credit card or like bank feeds. Now the second one is to add a credit card manually, so that way you have to go to your chart of accounts. So click on the settings up top, and here under your company you have chart of accounts, okay? Now you'll find this inside accounting and chart of accounts as well. And what you want to do is you want to go to the top and click on new account in the top right. And then from here, you want to give it a name. So for example, I'm going to do like test credit card like this. And then you can select the account type. And over here, of course, you want to do liability credit card. Now, when you do that, the detail is going to be credit card. You can put on the opening balance like that. And then, of course, the date as of, I'm going to do today. And you can add a description, stuff like that. And then click on the save button. And that's going to add your credit card as well, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.